All right, hello, and welcome to this little sort of dev blog thing for Loud or Quiet. Basically, uh, since finished the game pretty much, and it's all uploaded to Steam and ready for release on the 20th, and I had nothing to program, so I decided to make a few improvements that they might like come out in a later update. But I've not got the time to make sure that they work fully before then, so right now there'll just be a little preview thing. So yeah, first up, you can see is I have written a shader to that allows me to sort of replace the colors on an object or on a sprite. So that say I've got a like a well, this is the player sprite. They wear a black suit jacket with blonde hair, and you can see that I've changed it with this shader to make it a pink jacket with ginger hair. So yeah, and that works. I'll just show you. So see if I like switch between as soon as it loads in. Just give us a second. So yeah, so you can see I'm switching between weapons, and it's still keeping the changes without having to. Without having to create new textures or anything. And even if I'm in game, I'll just pause it. I believe I can change the colours on the fly. So if I change this to blue, we just unpause it. And I now have a hideous blue and pinkish jacket. Isn't that fun? The second thing I was trying, which isn't fully implemented yet, but you'll see these like little squares on the ground which change colour occasionally. These are basically suitability nodes. And I was going to try and develop some AI that sort of use these as positioning. So as you can see, like they change color when the player's looking at them and the player's nearby. So you see, this one is black because it's not suitable because the player's looking right at it, they're near to it, there's a line of sight to it, so there's no objects blocking it. But at the same time, if I move over to here, the color gets lighter because it's more suitable. Because that sounds slightly racist, but whatever. So there isn't a line of sight. The player isn't looking at it, and the player is a bit further away from it. And as we move further, you can see that it changes color. So pinkish is even more suitable than white, and whatever. And so hopefully I'll develop some kind of AI that allows it to use these points to know where to go, and that'll be all good. And I also had a little, well, not little, quite big rewrite of the enemy AI. So if I put 20 into spawn here, and change this, so instead of free for all, it will be a T. Sorry, I'm just going to quickly go over what I did, not like explain the code, but basically what I've done is rewritten the NPC AI so that instead of like just being everything crammed into one script, it's got like a base controller which will control like what target it should be following and pathfinding to the target and whatnot. And at the same time, we can plug in behaviors as these modular AI behaviors. So, say if you wanted to just pursue the player automatically knowing where they are, or you could just like patrol around, or I think I've got some team deathmatch ones actually, which I'll show you now. So it's basically just me trying to make the AI more flexible, and it seems to have worked. So I can add in one more things. I'm just going to expand this. It needs a bit of work at the moment because it's kind of laggy, but yeah. So you'll see that they're just sort of fighting each other quite quickly. I still need to play around with the speeds to balance it, but it works. Yeah, you'll see. They just shoot each other and run away, and yeah, you shot him. And yeah, no animations at this point, but and so I think that means blue team's won. So yeah, we can also do a free for all. I'll just stop that play on the way because that was annoying. So we've also got an AI behavior for free for all. So we can just basically just send them to go around and kill anything. So yeah. So yeah, it's a bit chaotic because they all spawn within like 14 meters of each other. But, it works. They'll kill each other and not actually shoot at the player. That's nice. So yeah, that was just a quick demo of what I've been doing. Just playing around with shaders and writing a more versatile AI and suitability nodes and that. So yeah, cheers for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that shit. Go buy Loud or Quiet when it comes out on the 20th of November. So that's like 9 days away. Shit. Please don't flop. Yeah. Alright. Just watching. Bye.